question 3. So this question is about the group 2 metals and their compounds. Explain why the first IE of barium is less than that of calcium. Again, just referring to the periodic table here. What was it? Barium is less than calcium. Barium is further down the group, therefore there are more shells, so there's more shielding, and therefore weaker forces of electrostatic attraction. I'm not going to write that one down because I think it's pretty obvious from the mark scheme. Okay, magnesium reacts readily with steam. It does. 2 observations. So if you remember, with water in its liquid form, you get the metal hydroxide, so you get MgOH2, aqueous. But when you react it with steam, you get the metal oxide, MgO, and that is a white solid. So that's observation 1, I guess. And observation 2, you know, you'll have all looked at it, you know, through the blue glass. When you form magnesium oxide, when you add that direct heat, you get a white light. Equation here, so does it want, doesn't say anything about state symbols, therefore you don't need them, but I'm going to do it anyway. Magnesium plus H2O as a gas gives MgO, which is a solid, plus left over you've got hydrogen gas. Okay, explain why different observations are made when aqueous barium chloride is added separately to aqueous magnesium sulfate and to aqueous magnesium nitrate. So we've got barium here, Ba2 plus, is going to react with the sulfate ions in there and the nitrate ions in there. Okay, so it's either going to form barium sulfate, which, as we've already looked at in a previous video, is insoluble, okay, is a white solid, precipitates out of solution. Barium nitrate, that's a 1- ion, so we need 2 of them, is soluble. So I guess you basically say that up here. The equation then for the reaction that's happening is this one, so we just very simply want Ba2 plus, and it does say including state symbols, so this is always aqueous, this is always aqueous, and this is our solid. Oh god, sorry. There we are. Our solid white precipitate. Okay.